Hello everybody, today is day 21 of lockdown. I'm nearly back to work next week, which is great, which means I should be able to sit down for a bit. Right, so today been on cross-training again, 22k, and today's topic is awareness and planning. So it's like on the driving test sheet. This one's mainly for parents to help supervise at home. So you've literally got on the sheet awareness and planning. It's kind of like the miscellaneous box for a lot of things, but generally it's trying to work out, did that pupil see something in advance and deal with it in appropriate time? Lots of things can happen, but the way you want to just supervise someone at home, son, daughter, friend, whoever it is constantly ask them questions. What's happening up the road? What's that signpost mean? What's the current speed limit? That's how you train them, and you prompt them to say that answer. But then you want to revert to a game where you say, what was the last signpost? And they go, I don't know, didn't see it. Okay, and you ask them again, what's the last signpost? And they say, oh, I didn't know, didn't see it. And you just keep asking them. So by asking what was the last signpost, turn it into a game. Every time they don't know, the person sat next to you, the supervising driver, gets a point. Every time the learner gets the answer right, they get a point. So it's first to 10. And what that does is it gets the learner to constantly look ahead, look for signs. What was that last sign? Sometimes they don't know what the sign means, but as long as they give me a description, I know that they've seen it. But more often than not, they'll miss them. So that's a really good way at home to practice and get involved in planning at the road ahead and just looking at signs, because signs tell you everything. There isn't anything. You have to be in the middle of nowhere to find, a road like Stamford Dingley out in, deepest West Berkshire, where the roads are like this thin and there's grass strewn down the middle. There's no signs. It's national speed limit. But in areas in a residential area, there's constantly signs all the time. So yeah, get them involved, and that's my tip for today. So just giving my mate Joe a shout out again on his 365 days of action challenge. He's still smashing out his kilometres. I'm in awe of him. I can't wait to get back to walking. I can't stand being on that for. I am smashing it out quickly in under 46 minutes, but I'd rather be out for 4 hours in the fresh air. Does my nut. But there we go. So I'll see you next time.